understand that Callie's not here today, so I was asked if on behalf of the Chamber of Commerce, as well as the City of Douglasville, we want to welcome Metro Doors to the City of Douglasville. I know you were out there a little bit west of town there for a while, but decided to make this venture into the city, take and refurbish this building and this area, and we are very excited to have you here. Like I said, on behalf of the Chamber, who does an excellent job in promoting businesses within the city and letting people know all the advantages of being Chamber members and helping promote your business. On behalf of the Chamber, we want to welcome you and thank you. But then on behalf of the City of Douglasville, as Mayor, certainly want to thank you and welcome you to the city. We want to wish you much success, and to all the people that haven't been inside, go in and look what Derek and his staff have done, and Jerry, to take and refurbish this building and turn it into really a showpiece. So we really appreciate what you've done. We appreciate the commitment that you're making to the community in the City of Douglasville. So welcome and good luck to you, and we're glad to have you. Jerry, thank you very much for what y'all doing.
And thank you to all our customers and vendors that help keep us in business and support us. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
And please enjoy the food and good company today.
And I think